What if I told you that you could start a digital marketing agency in India with zero investment and get paid in dollars, not rupees? No office, no employees, just you, a laptop, and the right system. The world is moving faster, businesses need marketing, and most don't know how to do it. With AI and automation, you can offer them a marketing system that actually gets them results with a fraction of a cost. And the best part, you can charge in dollars while living in India. And if you're thinking you need a team, an office, and lakhs of rupees to start an agency, that's not true. You can get started with less than 10,000 rupees a month. Start earning in dollars, working from your laptop. Hey, my name is Tumto Siram and I've been in the online space since 2020. And after trying 6 different business models, I finally found the one that doesn't require big investment, yet you can land high-paying clients. So stay till the end because I'm breaking down the step-by-step plan to start an AI marketing agency, the secret tool top agencies use to scale fast, and how to charge in dollars and build a recurring revenue. So if you're serious about making money online, let's get into it. Most small businesses in the US and the first world countries struggle with marketing. They face tough competition and most agencies charge high fees while using outdated methods. And that's where you come in. By offering full stack marketing with AI and automation, you can fill this gap and provide a high value service that businesses actually need. Alright, before I break it all down, here's the thing. I've created a free course that walks you through this entire process step by step. You can grab the course after watching this video. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, let's talk about why this is a gold mine. Most businesses are already spending thousands of dollars on marketing, but they need a better solution, not just traffic, but actual conversion. They need automated follow-up systems, AI chatbots, full marketing system that can increase their sales. And you, by combining AI and automation to their marketing, you're not just offering a service, but you'll be solving this exact problem. Now let's talk about how to set this up, get started, and make money. Firstly, you'll need this secret tool that top agencies use and rely on. I'll show you the inside of it. So this is my agency dashboard, and here's the sub account that you'll be selling to your clients. As you can see, there are lots of features here: contacts, calendars, opportunities, payments, marketing, automation. You can build websites, memberships, even set up reputation management, ask for Google reviews automatically for your clients. And it has an inbuilt AI feature. Go to settings, you can see conversation AI, voice AI agents, email services, phone numbers, WhatsApp, anything and everything any businesses would need. And the best part is you can white label it. So this is my agency dashboard. You can go to settings, company, as you can see, the basic details, your company name, your company email, phone number, etc. Go to white label, you can add your own logo. So this was actually the software's logo here, which is GoHighLevel, and I changed it to my logo, my branding, QuickSync. You can even change the domains, the API domain. You can add your privacy policy and terms and conditions, and white label the whole software under your own branding. So that's basically it. All I had to do is change my logo, add my domain, and run the software under my agency. So this software has 3 pricing plans: $97, $297, and $497 per month. You can get started with a $97 per month plan, which will be around 85 or 8600 rupees, and you can resell it to 2 clients. And after you start generating some revenue, you can get the $297 plan, which allows you to resell it to unlimited clients, unlimited customers. Now, why are most top agencies using it? It's not only because of the features and the white label option, but because of its stickiness. Let me explain this to you. So here's the thing, most agencies find it difficult to scale because they churn out clients after a few months working with them, which means after some months, their clients, they leave the agency and their services. This leads them to working on finding new clients every month. And they get stuck in this cycle of finding clients month after month. But when combining software with your service, even if the clients stop your marketing services, they need the software to run their business. The software gets glued to their business. Things like the contact list, email and SMS marketing, the phone numbers they purchased, and the AI and automation system, they will need them. So most of them end up keeping the software and you keep making money every month. Alright, here's how you can set it up and start your agency in just a day. Step 1, obviously get the GoHighLevel software. I'll leave the link to the software in the description. Pick a local business niche that you'd like to serve. Businesses like plumbing companies, HVAC, roofing contractors, remodeling contractors, etc. etc. And it's one of the most important things, picking your niche right. Number 1, it makes your messaging clear in your marketing, and which leads you to getting found by your prospects faster. And the second thing is it makes it easier for you to scale your agency because you just have to set your system once and sell it over and over. Now the third step will be to set up your marketing system. Things like funnels, websites, your booking calendars, etc. etc. And lastly, reach out to those businesses that you're looking forward to offer your services to. And if you're thinking, I have no experience in sales and outreach, don't worry, I'll show you how to find the clients next. But by the way, before we move on, I have an exclusive bonus for those who want to take action today. If you sign up for GoHighLevel, the software that I just showed you, using the link in the description, I'll personally help you get started with free one-on-one account setup. I'll help you find your niche and craft your offer. And you'll be getting my exact outreach script, a ready-to-use website template, and lifetime access to my private community. You can also learn more about the offer in the description. So once again, this is a limited time offer. And if you're serious about starting your agency, grab this offer now. Now let's talk about how to find clients and close, even if you have no experience. There are different types of strategies agencies use to find and close deals. Things like cold email, cold calling, paid ads, etc. etc. But all these strategies cost money. It's actually good and gets you clients faster. But if you're low on budget, I recommend going the organic way in the beginning. And for that, here's the simplest way to get clients. First of all, you should start building your brand and focus on both inbound and outbound strategies to generate more leads. For the inbound, build your social media channels, network and connect with business owners that you are targeting, and start creating content that resonates with them and promote your business in between. And for the outbound, you can join targeted Facebook groups where all your target business owners are hanging around. I'll show you an example. For example, here's my Facebook page. You can go to groups. Let's say you are targeting remodeling. Just type here remodeling, and you can see here kitchen and bathroom remodeling, Tampa, Florida, Tampa business contractors. You can go to groups and you can find many different groups in here in the Facebook groups. You can join them, start providing value, connect with those business owners, start offering your services. And the next strategy is you can head over to Google. I'll show you. Same thing, remodeling services Miami, let's say. You can head over here. These are all the businesses that shows up in Google. You can go to more businesses and you can find many different businesses here. You can pick their contact, reach out to them, offering them your AI and automation services. And if you think how you could provide these services without any experience, you don't need to worry. I'll help you set everything up. And if you want to learn more about the AI services and all, check out this video. I'll leave the card above. And regarding the outreach, the outbound lead generation strategy, it's all about numbers game. The more businesses you reach out to, the more experience you gain, and the more chances you have to close more clients. And once you start landing more clients, here's how you can scale to $10,000 and more. So firstly, you can stake clients. You can offer different service tiers. For example, local SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, AI and automation, etc. etc. And the second thing is, when it comes to AI and automation, you don't have to worry. You just have to set it once in GoHighLevel and let the software do the work for you. And finally, for the repetitive task, you can either hire a freelancer or a VA. You can find a lot of them online. And this is how you can turn a one-man agency into a full-time business working from anywhere. There are now thousands of people getting into AI and automation space. Businesses are also understanding and realizing the importance of AI in their business. By 2026 or 27, or maybe even this year, this might get saturated. So right now, it's the perfect time to get started with this AI and agency business model. No office, no employee, no huge investment, just you, your laptop, and the right system. If you're serious about making recurring money online, grab my free course and the free trial of GoHighLevel below. And if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe and comment. I reply to everybody. And watch the next video to learn more about how to make money with missed calls.